Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at the ES10 speaker from Polk Audio. So this is part of the Signature Elite Series and it can be used as a home theater speaker as one of the rear satellite speakers, or it could also be used on a desktop as front studio monitors. So let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. First off is some documentation. So opening up that pack, we see the registration card. And moving on, there is a card which looks like connection information. So it has information on how to hook up the speakers, the wires on the rear, etc. Next up are 4 rubber dampers or pads. So these are to place beneath the speaker to prevent any kind of vibration. They are foam with a sticky pad at the bottom, 3M sticky tape, so you could just stick them and place the speaker on that. And finally, the owner's manual. So this is in fact for the entire home theater series, so you can see all the speakers listed. You can see that the styrofoam holds the speakers neatly in place, so let's remove that. Now you can finally see the satellite speakers, so let's get them out and take a closer look. Removing the foam packing, you can now see the actual speaker. Cabinet bracing and build seems pretty good, and there's a good amount of weight and heft to it as well. At the bottom is the mid-range driver, and above it the Terraline soft dome tweeter. Looking at the side, you can see the black wood veneer finish. Other options include a glossy white and a brown wood finish. At the rear, you can see the binding posts. And if you lift up the speaker, you can also see the patented PowerPort technology. Finally, let's take a look at the front grille. It's a cloth membrane on plastic with magnets to fix onto the speaker. Hit pause now for the specs and get subscribed if you aren't, as we will cover the full deep dive review of this speaker in the coming weeks. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share, and see you in the next one.